stock, crypto, credit moves. Good afternoon, YouTube. We're back for another video. I want to go ahead and add Ruby Mine to the channel. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I do to make consistent cash flow, whether it's stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate. We just want to make sure everybody here has enough hammers in their bag to make income. You need multiple streams. So that's what this channel is all about. So Ruby Mine is pretty much a baked beans recopy. That's the best way to describe it. One of the biggest difference I see is going to be the deposit fee percentage. They're charging 8%. And this is going up fast already, guys. I mean, we already almost have 4,000 contracts. So since I know the ladies like rubies, I went ahead and jumped in and threw 6.5 rubies in Ruby Mine. It's paying out 8% a day. Let's check out a little bit of the white papers here. About earn compound fee strategies. Owners. Ruby Mine is a resource-rich mine that had just been discovered by a handful of adventurers. The mine extends 1,000 miles, and you can now lease a piece of the land and hire miners that will non-stop mine your rubies for you. So, guys, this is another baked beans copy. I added cooked rice to the channel earlier. So these are baked bean competitors. One thing I will say, the earlier you get in, the better, because you can recompound and it's going to continue to grow your income. So you can put a small amount in early and then just recompound. And you don't have to put in a lot. Just put in what you can afford to lose. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I do. After all expenses from mining, you will be able to receive 8% of your initial investment every day. Referral: convince your friends to open their mine and receive 12% of their investment. Guys, I'm not here for specifically for referrals. If I get referrals, that's great. But I'm just here to add to this channel and diversify investment opportunities. I'm gonna make the 8% regardless because I'm already in the opportunity. This is just a bonus. I want you guys to make informed decisions. And of course, they're preaching reinvest your daily rewards to hire more miners that will nonstop get you rubies out of the ground and increase your earning exponentially. So they're saying it's best to reinvest 6 times a week and eat 1 time a week. And that's pretty much, like I said, it's the same with baked beans. But guys, don't be afraid to take profits. I mean, if you can start off doing the 6 to 1, it's going to be great. Especially if these platforms last for a while, because you're going to make more income. But also, we're in this to make money. So don't feel pressured into doing 6 to 1. If you can't do 6 to 1, do 5 days, reinvest 2 days, withdraw. The only downside to eating a lot is they have an anti-whale mechanism in these contracts. If you eat every day, then your percentage is going to start dropping. So you're not going to get the 8%. And it's not 8%. It really is 5 to 8%. But the more you eat, the less you're going to make. So they got 8% fees on invest and sale of rubies. So this is cool. They don't have any fees when you reinvest your rewards. That's nice. They're saying reinvest 6 times and take one. How long does Ruby Mine work? Your deposit of AVAX, and every day you will earn 8% of your invested amount that incurs rewards throughout the day. Please note your ROI will decrease with each subsequent claim. So they punish you for taking too many profits. But like I said, if you can do 6 to 1 starting off, you're gonna benefit in the long run. And then when you get to an income that you're actually cool with taking daily, then maybe you want to drop back to 5 to 2. But I would recommend doing 6 to 1 at least 2-3 weeks. If you can do a month, it'll even be better because your income is gonna 10x. Do you have any anti-whale mechanism? 6 to 1 is the way to go. It is not a strategy. Furthermore, also our anti-whale mechanism, it will ensure that the TVL consistently increases. So they're pretty much, the anti-whale mechanism is put in to make these platforms last. And it also cuts down the chance of a rug pull. How long will contracts pay out reward? As long as there is a balance in the contracts, there will always be rewards. And this is what everybody wants to know. What prevents the developers from rugging? The contract is immutable. So that pretty much means that they can't change the contract once it's set on the blockchain and audit it, meaning that once it's deployed, the developers have no access to contract and cannot send anything out of the wallet. So guys, I just wanted to, it's the owners, if you want to contact them. Just want to put another option out there for you guys. I have 6 rubies. So I put about 4.5 AVAX in here. They're about what, $88 a piece. So that's about what, 350 bucks. So my plan, I'm gonna compound for the next month because $24 a day withdrawing, that's not what I'm here for. What I am here for is to continue to compound. So for this strategy, for this contract here, if it continues to grow, which it seemed like it wants to, when I got in earlier, it was like 2,000. So I mean, this is growing exponentially rate. So you definitely want to get in if you're going to get in. And this pretty much shows the inflow and outflow of the contract. Someone just put in 34 AVAX. I mean, somebody knows something, guys. You have to get in these platforms early. You drop 3 grand in. Someone put 22.5 AVAX, so that's about 2,500. So people believe in this platform, guys. They're definitely putting their money where their mouth is at. I put 4 in, so I'm trying to do my part to share with the community opportunities to compound and continue to create passive income. see your rewards coming here. The Telegram group is growing. We have 1,183 members. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. It's worth the chance. Got a Twitter page. They launched today, so I like to go ahead and get in these things early because I don't have to. I mean, when you get in early, you don't have to put as much. You just have, if it lasts for a year, you have the compounding effect. So you can just drop a few hundred in and ride the wave because you're making so much on interest every day. What we got here? Got a Discord here. Looks like a solid opportunity. I mean, there's no guarantee that it's going to operate the way baked beans. So this pretty much has an audit. And definitely don't hook your wallet up to anything that hasn't been audited because there are a lot of scammers out there. So Ruby Mine, the only issues they had with this platform was its high risk, medium severity. So like I said, this is normal in this space. You can make a lot of money. So they're saying here the basic interest rate of initial investment is 5.13 daily. So the interest rates are that you get paid is gonna change, and it's gonna be based off of AVAX's fluctuation up and down. I think it's a solid opportunity. So I'm in, and based on how this goes over the next week, I may increase my position and just compound. Maybe after 30 days, 60 days, depending on if this is continuing to increase. I'll start withdrawing maybe 30 to 60 days in. But my income is gonna be so much higher because I'm reinvesting for 30, 60 days. So guys, I'm gonna stop here today. I don't wanna make this video too long. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, let's get our income up.